The Enchanted Brush. In a peaceful village, there lived a young artist named Mia. With a heart full of dreams and a passion for painting, she spent her days bringing color and life to canvases. One day, while wandering through a forest, Mia stumbled upon an old, forgotten paintbrush. Curiosity ignited within her, and she decided to give the brush a try. As Mia dipped it into vibrant paints, she found herself astonished by the magic it possessed. Her strokes came alive, creating a world of wonder and beauty. News of Mia's extraordinary talent spread throughout the village, capturing the attention of a wealthy art collector named Mr. Reynolds. Determined to have Mia paint for him, he offered her a handsome sum of money. But Mia's heart yearned for something more than mere riches. With a courageous spirit, Mia declined the offer, realizing that her art should bring joy to others rather than satisfy her own desires. She continued to paint, using her enchanted brush to inspire and uplift those who admired her work. As Mia's paintings adorned the walls of the village, people were moved by the beauty she created. Her art touched their souls, evoking emotions and reminding them of the magic within their own lives. In the end, Mia's decision to follow her passion and share her art with the world brought her far greater fulfillment than any material gain could offer. Through her enchanted brush, she not only painted beautiful pictures, but also painted smiles on the faces of all who beheld her creations. And so, Mia's name became synonymous with art that was born from the heart, proving that true magic lies within the power of passion and the ability to inspire others. Mia proved that the true purpose and meaning of art is not to satisfy the needs of one, or to use it for selfish purposes, but rather to inspire and put smile on other people's faces, and to motivate them to make their own art too, and make people smile and happy.